Monaco is unique in so many ways. Its tiny size, its density of millionaires per head, its accessibility to the rest of Europe, and of course, its tax regime. All of which conspire to make Monaco the most expensive real estate market in the world. The nearest rival is another small territory with an attractive tax regime, Hong Kong. Prices there are around 10% lower than Monaco, while other global cities like London, New York and Paris don't even get a look in. Monaco prices are 96% higher than New York, 176% higher than London, and 237% higher than Paris. When you're looking at the overall returns from property investment, you also need to consider transaction costs and holding costs. The good news is that Monaco does not have any holding costs, no residential rates, no council tax or mansion tax. The bad news is that there's a 4.5% stamp duty charge when you buy a property, and agency fees apply on both sides of the transaction. You'll typically pay 5% as a seller and 3% as a buyer. So your buying cost will be 3% to the agent, 4.5% to the Monaco taxman, and 1.5% to the notary who handles the legal side of the transaction. For the sake of simple maths, you should allow 10% of the purchase price when you buy and 5% when you sell. Those transaction fees are higher than in many countries, but the lack of holding taxes means that the overall cost of ownership balances out over a period of 5 years or more. And while capital gains can't be guaranteed, if you look across all districts of Monaco, you'll find an average of 10% a year growth over the last decade. Those gains dwarf the transaction costs and help to explain why property in Monaco remains such a great investment. Take a look at monacoestate.com to see our current portfolio.